Ladies and gentlemen, saga continues with the S5. Today, we're doing the intake install. It's actually the same day as a lot of other projects that are going on with this car. However, wanted to make a separate video just for this one in case anybody's searching it or wants to do it for themselves. This is a pretty simple, relatively, install because it is just an intake. These guys, we're not even going there. If you guys want to watch the install on the exhaust, link will be in the description, also popping up on the screen. But today, focusing on the intake. So this is the, what is it, a P34?
P34.
P34 intake.
X34 is a carbon fiber one.
That's true. The carbon fiber one was backordered, so we wanted to get all the mods done quickly, and instead decided to get this one, which we will unbox and show right now. Let's go! This has been at my apartment for the last week or so. So I guess, here we go.
Got an air filter.
Oh, very cool.
Clamps.
Also, 034 Motorsport hooks it up with the just stuff. The license plate frame right there. We got a lanyard, some stickers, a little key tag, and then the tune, which is a separate video, will be going on afterwards. Ton of stuff on this car. If you guys are just finding the channel for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Maybe we've hit 10K by the time this video airs, but if we haven't yet, y'all know what to do. B9 S5, new addition to the channel, new addition to M22 detailing the shop. Ton of stuff happening, ton of stuff that we are filming, so hopefully we're trying to capture it all. Got the exhaust from AWE, but this video we're gonna focus mostly here on the intake install. So we're gonna just do the darn thing, shall we?
So literally, this just presses in, clamps on, and
You're asking me?
I don't know.
It looks good.
Seems easy enough.
It does seem pretty simple. I feel like the intake, Evan said he did an intake on his last car, so he knows how to do it.
That was literally like, what, 2 hose clamps on the...
Yeah, and this is like
4 hose clamps?
4 hose clamps, so this is gonna be twice as hard.
This is gonna be twice as hard.
How long will it take you guys to do that?
Probably twice as long. All right, it is intake time. Boys are back at it, taking absolutely no breaks because they're psychos.
No brakes.
Is all it is?
We're trying to set a speed record, it seems.
That's exactly
Which is perfect. Is that all sand?
Yeah.
Dude, these guys are flying.
Yeah, this is kind of crazy.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I just watched this.
Give me that new intake, boss.
Yeah, where's the intake?
This is what happens if we just put like 6 people on every single task. It would get done so fast.
Depends on who the people are.
Yeah, that's very true.
Evan and me, not gonna get done. But it depends on the day. It's true. That's true. That's true. Evan, are we gonna put the flame tune on?
We're working out the order of operations here. That's still not. That's planned. It went down.
Hold on.
Do what you did the first time. Look at this man's face. What the heck?
Dude! Did you just hear that?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
That's
my gosh. Did you hear behind it too?
It's insane. Do a light rev. Oh my god.
Launch control right now. Dude, that sounds so nuts.
Oh yeah.
It sounds so much more gooder.
Yeah.
That sound, that intake on like sounds insane.
Yeah. Oh, did you hear that? Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
If you're wondering if you should get an intake, the answer is now yes. If your ears work, you should probably get this this intake. That's nuts. The difference that made. We did not hear any noise like that. We didn't do like a before and after clip.
Yeah, we on the front end.
That was insane. I'm rarely at a loss for words for like car mods, but for something that is relatively inexpensive and sounds like that, do it. 034 coming in with the intake. That is nuts. If you guys enjoy the video, want to see more stuff on the S5, we're doing like a build series basically. The exhaust is now installed fully in, so if you want to see that video, if you missed it, link will be in the description or on the screen, wherever it pops up, click that. And if you guys are new to the channel and want to see more on this crazy car, hit subscribe, and until next time, we'll see you.